20 years, 6 constructors titles, and 8 drivers titles. And now Christian Horner is out as the principal of Red Bull Racing. This is huge when you think about it. He is a gigantic name in, I guess you want to say, like the celebrity side of things, from Drive to Survive to just the rivalry, whatever you want to call it, they put between him and Toto Wolff of Mercedes. This is big. And obviously, there was the scandal last year, which a lot of people thought he probably should have been fired for then, or hoped he got fired for, however you want to say it. There is a lot to go around, whether you like him or hate him, you like the team, you hate the team. It's big news. I mean, this is a major name in F1 being fired apparently out of the blue. We do have a quote from Max Verstappen saying, from my first race win to 4 world championships, we have shared incredible success, winning memorable races and breaking countless records. Thank you for everything, Christian. And also, Red Bull did put out a statement or a quote too, saying, "Forever remain." They thanked him for his work and said he will forever remain an important part of our team history. Now, I I woke up this morning, I saw that, and I thought, oh, that's a joke. What parody site is posting this? What Twitter account is putting out the drama or the speculation? But no, this is apparently real, and it's on every website you can find: Sky Sports, AP News, Yahoo Sports, New York Times. I mean, Newsweek is like, this is huge. Who knows what's going to happen from this? I think the principal from the, whatever you want to call it, Red Bull Racing, the Racing Bulls, Laurent Meeks or something like that, is going to be taking over his job now. And it really just show F1 is a what are you doing for me currently, not a what have you done for me in the past kind of sport. I mean, if you're not winning right now, you are on the hot seat. And yeah, this year has not been good for him or the team. Obviously, the car is not great. And now it kind of becomes the problem of, or the question of, is even Max Verstappen going to stay there? I mean, obviously, there's been the rumors of him talking to Mercedes, or who knows, anybody else would want him, let's be honest here. So it's just going to be the question of, does Red Bull Racing go from juggernaut to disaster? But I don't know. So I'm going to leave you guys, comment down below, tell me what you think. Are you a fan of Red Bull Racing? Are you a fan of Max Verstappen? Do you like F1 in general? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later.